Hello students, today we are going to discuss the third numerical of deflection of truss. Question is written as find the vertical deflection at O if area is equals to 100 mm square and E will be equals to 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. Now a truss is shown here. At joint O, there will be a 10 kN load acting in the downward direction and the inclined member length is given as 4.24 meter. Now we need to calculate the deflection at joint O. Now first of all we will calculate the angle, that is theta angle. Now if we want to compute the theta angle, then what will be its value? Sin theta will be equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now here the perpendicular is 3 meter and the hypotenuse will be equals to 4.24 meter. On solving this, we will get the value of theta equals to 45 degree. Now we know that for the calculation of deflection, the formula is summation of PKL upon AE. Now A, E and L is already given in the question. We need to determine the value of P and K. Now for the determination of P value, we will just take the equilibrium of joint O. Now by taking the equilibrium of joint O, the vertical component of inclined member AO and BO will be like this, that is PBO sin 45 as well as PAO sin 45. Okay. Now we just take the vertical forces equilibrium at joint O, then the equation will be equals to PBO sin 45 plus PAO sin 45 is equals to the downward loading, that is 10 kilonewton. Now by the symmetry of the structure or by the symmetry of the truss, PBO will be equals to PAO. So we just write here 2 PBO sin 45 is equals to 10 and we will get the value of PBO equals to 5 root 2 kilonewton as well as PAO equals to 5 root 2 kilonewton. Now we need to determine the K values for the member AO and BO. So we will divide this value by 10 because we had calculated this PBO and PAO for 10 kilonewton load. Now if we want to calculate the K value, then we need to replace this 10 kilonewton by 1 kilonewton and we just divide these values by 10. We will get the KBO and KAO values. Now KBO is equals to KAO is equals to 5 root 2 by 10 and its value will be equals to 1 by root 2. On putting the value in the formula, that is summation of PKL upon AE, we will get delta V or vertical deflection of joint O equals to 2 into 5 root 2 into 1 by root 2 into 4.24 upon A. Here 2 is used for the BO and AO member, 5 root 2 is the P value, 1 by root 2 is the K value as well as 4.24 is the length of the member AO and BO. By putting all this value, we will get delta V is equals to 42.4 upon AE. On putting the value of A as 100 and E as 2 into 10 to the power 5, we will get the vertical deflection of joint O as 2.12 mm. So students, we had solved this numerical and we had computed the vertical deflection of joint O as 2.12 mm. Thank you very much students.